Okay, just for the purpose of this video for you guys, I've taught them the wrong techniques that most YouTubers in America are doing and calling it Dutch kickboxing when it's not. Just because they see that it looks like that in the fight, or you guys may see that something looks a certain way in a fight, doesn't mean that that's exactly the way that the person is actually doing it. Doesn't mean that it's exactly the way we're drilling it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, okay? So, the first one that you will see a lot is people will be drilling. The first mistake is they'll be in place the entire time. If you're not moving forward and backwards, it's not realistic and it's not a real Dutch drill, okay? So, the first thing I see people do is they will defend a left kick like this. They will teach to stop it here and then throw a hook, which by itself is a little bit dumb if you think about it. I mean, unless of course you're standing here and you're just waiting to take the hook. You're just waiting to take the hook, boom, boom, then it will work. But most people that know how to throw a left kick, especially Dutch people, they will use this technique. They will back up their body. They will back up their body and then you will miss. Okay? Especially if you're not going back and forth. So this technique is stupid. That's number one. Number two, this may sort of work in the sense that it may not break your arms if you're a beginner. You try this technique on a professional Dutch kickboxer, like a heavyweight that's on steroids, it will break your arm. You cannot just stay there, block here, and then throw a hook. Okay? Another way that I see this done is with the kick. So, these stupid YouTubers in America, they will say to do the same kind of block, and then the same kind of block, and then throw a kick. One more time. Same kind of block, and then throw a kick. This is all fake news. I'm going to show you guys the real Dutch way, the way I learned to do this in Mike's gym, okay? This is the way real professionals do this, all right? Watch. You're going to kick me. Hit me this. Okay? You're going to kick me right here. Okay, go. Go. Hard. F hard. I want him to kick me really hard. But low, not high, low. This is to stop the middle kick, guys. Go. Yeah. Okay, one more time. So you see the shovel coming most of the time. Sometimes some Dutch kickboxers will switch legs. They will stand here. And a lot of times when they switch sides, especially if they're not two-sided kickers or two-sided fighters, they will only switch sides only to throw like a power left leg. A lot of them will do this, like 6 out of 10. Okay, so the same technique will apply here if they do that, okay? Which is not just standing in place. I've also seen that, just standing in place. The technique is different, guys. Switch. Ready? 3, drops. Go. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Just a shot, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, lower, here. I gotta tell them to do it lower, otherwise he's gonna kick my head off. Here, one more time, go. Yes, okay? Ready? Keep this hand up here, okay? Now I'm gonna do the move, guys, so you guys are gonna see what it looks like. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kick! 1, 2, 3. Kick, and block. Now he's scared. Go. You guys saw I almost kicked his head off? One more time. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Go. Hard. Yes. Good. One more time. You guys saw that? One more time. Do the other side for you guys. I'm going to show you guys in a minute what the trick is to doing it this way. It's not as easy as it looks. And the drilling it in the air looks way different than this. Yeah. I'm gonna wait. Hard! He's kicking me light. Hard. It's not gonna work if he kicks me light. Like, you guys have to drill this hard. Hard, go. Go. Hard, huh? Okay, so you didn't see in the video that the first one was fake news. I made him drill it the fake way. He's going to keep drilling it the fake way so you guys can see him in the back. This is the way that you guys don't want to do this. Okay? This is what stupid Americans be doing in America. I mean, it only took me 2-3 minutes to teach him this shit. It's super easy to do it the wrong way. Doing it the right way is the hard way, okay? So, now we're gonna show you guys how I'm doing this. You know that? What you just did right now? Yeah. The video. Forget. Now I'm going to show you the real way, okay? The real way to do this, the way I did it, is when he throws a kick, Black, black, black. When he throws a kick, I'm not just standing here. What I'm doing before the kick is this. Black, black, black. What? Shovel and black. Yeah, black. As soon as he does the shovel, I'm going here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do it from this angle here. I'm putting my whole weight, my whole body into stopping it. So my hand is here, so I'm still covering my face with the gloves. But I'm covering the liver shot. In case he goes high, it still works if he does a high kick. You want to put all your weight into his leg. So you're cutting the power before it generates. And you're throwing your leg up there. You don't even have to throw a perfect kick, because your momentum's already going in that direction. So your kick is going to come with the power of your weight. Even if you are slow, you use this technique. Dutch kickboxing techniques are very effective for slow people. People that don't have the fast twitch muscles, because we use our body weight a lot. You will learn how to use your body weight to generate power. So you're right here, and you go. Like, that's the way to like practice it. Try it. No, here. When I kick you, you go here. Here, not here. Here. Look at my feet. Watch my feet. Try it. No. One more time. I'm gonna kick him hard one time, guys. Fast and hard, so he feels what it feels like to do this wrong. Ready? More. Yeah. You should be over there. One more time. See, as long as you block like that and you have a kicker like me, someone who can generate power, I'm only kicking them at 30%. Het is niet 100. Als ik 100 ga je tegen de muur aan. Go, one more time. Well, I'm going to kick him a little harder this time. See how far he's going? So one more time. You want to put your knees down, knees down, and go this way, dude. Put all your weight into it. Yeah, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Hey, there. Again. It's scary to drill these guys. Over there. Go. What the hell is this? Stand. Come on, man. Come on, my dude. Go. Watch me, okay? Watch. It's not that hard. You're basically running. Go one more time. Kick me. Slow. Okay? Maar eerst alleen lopen. Okay? First only walk it. Go. If you do this right, you're never going to get this far with doing this, the push. You do this right, you're going to stay in place. People are not going to see it. Hard. People are not going to see it. Oh, shit. You got to cover. See, but that's what I mean, guys. This is what happens if you don't cover. Now he learned the hard way. This is what Dutch drilling is all about. I didn't mean to kick him. You okay? You know? Okay. I didn't mean to kick him, guys, but you're supposed to put that guard up. I even told him hard, that meant you should have covered up. Cover up. Good. Again, light, slow, go. Yo, what? Putting your hand here, cover, man. He doesn't learn, dude. Go. Okay, go. Dan pak me terug. Ready? Eerst lopen. I knew he was going to kick me. Niet trappen, alleen lopen. Je moet eerst kunnen lopen, man. Ik ga niet meer hard. Ik ga licht. Wel lopen. No. From here, my dude. Like this. All of your weight. You need to put your weight in it. Otherwise, ga je kapot, jongen. Come on. Go. Go. Again. Go. Yeah, good. More. Like you're going to fall. Are you gonna fall? Okay, go. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. And push off. Push. Come in. Come in. Here. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. Beter. Harder. Hard. Ik ga weg. Hard. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Yes. Now kick. Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's difficult. Yes. And keep looking, okay? Look. Watch. Stay. Alleen kijken. Only look. Hoeft niet. Okay? It's a different kind of kick, guys. You're not gonna traditionally, no arm pull. You're not gonna traditionally pull the arm back. You can't do that. It's not necessary. The power is already your weight. That's what makes this kicking so different. That's what sometimes people don't understand when they see kickboxers move, what they're doing. But look, here. Neat. Okay, all you do is lift your leg. Yes. Just keep looking at me. Eerder. Kick earlier, much earlier. Te laat. Okay? Yes. Yes, that was it. Hard. Okay? Yes. You felt it in the hip. Yeah. That's it. Here. I want you guys to see it from my side of the head. Ja, hetzelfde. Hetzelfde. Precies hetzelfde. Same thing. Yeah, one more time. That's it. You guys see how beautiful that is? And how effective that is? And how simple that is? This is one of the things I told Viking Samurai, okay? One of the things I told Viking Samurai is that there is no magic with fighting. I have the chats. The guy still believes in magic. He even told me this. Oh, I still want to believe in magic. I'll never forget there's a guy named George Pokovich or something like that. He has a Sistema thing going on. Like a Russian Sistema. He sent me a video and asked me what I think of it. I said it's bullshit. The guy makes stupid videos out of his garage. And Viking Samurai claims he's the next best thing when the guy's never fought. He took it as far as saying, Russian people are even tougher than the Dutch. Says who? With striking, there's somewhere under our feet too. There's somewhere under our feet too. I threw a high kick now. There's somewhere under our feet, so you guys can look him up. But it's like, Viking Samurai actually believes in this stupid stuff. This right here is the real stuff, what we're doing right now. Simple, I'm drilling it. I can even talk to you guys while I'm doing this, because that's how used I am to these techniques. He's already getting the hang of it. Okay? That will be it for this video, guys. Till the next video, catch you later.